much busted right now, but it's okay. I just wanted to record really quick. I'm gonna start popping in here and just like recording little videos like this, because sometimes I really don't know what you guys want to see, but I feel like this would be kind of cool. I'm still learning how to do the whole flat lay thing, but I think that I'm doing a pretty good job. So I just want to show you guys like how I set up and the results, so keep watching. Alright guys, so this rug that I use for the background in most of my flat lay images is from Amazon. It was only $28 and it's just over 5x4. Highly recommend it if you want like a white fur background. Sometimes I switch it up and do like tile, like a fake tile background. So what I'm doing now is just organizing the colors just to make sure they like make sense next to each other and just look way more aesthetic. The easiest way to do this is usually going from like darkest color to lightest. I did that with these at first. I know you see the black and the brown mixed, but I didn't even like notice that I took a bunch of pictures like this and they actually still like turned out pretty good. So I was like, screw it. I was getting towed the fuck up by mosquitoes and I just honestly didn't have the energy to keep playing outside. So these are the few photos I came up with that. My sweat ones came out way better than these, so just bear with me, y'all. Hold up. Also, before I like retook all these photos, I took these videos for reels and to use as ads, so highly recommend doing that. It's just a really good way to batch content, so definitely recommend doing that while you're already taking the pictures. As y'all can probably tell, I did a lot better with the sweatpants this time than I did with the leggings. And that's okay. Some days you just don't have that like creative vision for some of your products. And I'm just going to try again tomorrow with the leggings. But my sweatpants ones came out fire. So I'm going to show you guys how those came out. The trick really with taking the flat lay photos is to take a lot of photos and a lot of videos from different angles, because you are sure to have a few gems mixed in the bunch. And that's basically what happened. I should have stopped to pay attention to what was kind of going on with the leggings photos and, you know, kind of rearrange the colors that way and did some different angles, but I didn't. But it's okay, because I'm just going to do it again tomorrow. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Try to make it short, kind of sweet to the point. If you have any questions, just comment below. Thank you.